to the pet store. My feathered friend. Had the clerk show me my options of all what they had. A herd of parakeets and ducks and geese, but I saw one in the back. I said, sir, what about her? He just looked and laughed. This one's a free bird. She's only got one wing. And it seems that the darkest hour is about the only time she sings. We can't charge a lot down in the parking lot. Using I left out in the rain. This one's a free bird, just by a cage. So I took her home and threw away that cage. I guess she can't go far, and I hope that she wants to stay. Every night it's like she could fly her songs with the moon in the sky. I had to smile and listen for a while by the windowsill. Now she's a free bird. She doesn't need both wings. And it seems that at the darkest hour, that bird would love to sing.